Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to brighten the skin, reduce fine lines, and promote a youthful glow. Making your own vitamin C oil at home is a cost-effective and natural way to incorporate this skin-loving ingredient into your daily skincare routine. By blending vitamin C with nourishing oils, you can create a potent formula that fights the signs of aging, evens out your skin tone, remove pigmentation, and boost collagen production. In this video, I'll be showing you how to easily craft your own homemade anti-aging vitamin C oil to enhance your skin's health and appearance. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of the 2 vitamin C oil will you like to remake for yourself? Which do you prefer? Which do you think is more easier for you? Please drop your thoughts in the comment section. I really love to know. Now, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY tips and beauty content. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for stopping by again. I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye.